The ship hit something hard in the hurricane.
Dad, you are bleeding. Mom! Dad! Help! My head! It hurts so much.
Look at this ship. It is very big.
There are so many people here. It is a floating city.
Yes, we are on a beautiful cruise in the ocean.
The water is so blue. I love it here.
Let's go down to our room. Come on, Max. Good boy.
Our room is very low. We are at the bottom of the ship.
Look at the small window. The sky is black. It is raining a lot.
The wind is very strong. A hurricane. A hurricane is coming.
Do not worry, you are safe. The ship is very strong.
What happened?
I do not know. The ship hit something hard in the hurricane.
It is dark. The floor is not straight.
Stay down! Sit on the floor!
People are screaming outside. I am scared, Mom.
Come here, Lily. Hold my hand tight.
Look at the door. Water is coming in. My feet are wet.
The ship is sinking. We cannot stay here.
Open the door, Leo!
Ouch! My hand! The metal is sharp.
Dad, you are bleeding.
Leo! Oh no! Take this clean cloth. Press hard. Press hard.
Thank you, thank you! The door is stuck! The water is too heavy! Ugh. Help me, Emma! Push the door together! Hold hands! Do not lose the family!
The water is freezing!
There are too many people. They are pushing us. I cannot walk fast, Dad.
I will carry you, Lily. Climb on my back. My hand is okay.
Look! There are the main stairs! We must go up!
orange jackets on! Hurry!
The hurricane is so strong! The wind is pushing us!
Over there! A yellow lifeboat!
Run to the boat! Sam, you go first. Jump in! Come here, Max. Good boy.
We made it. We are in the lifeboat. How is your hand?
It hurts a little, but I am fine.
We escaped the sinking ship. The wind cannot hit us here. We are safe now.
Ah! The rope broke!
Hold on tight!
Mom! Dad! Help!
Sam is in the water! He is sinking!
My hand! I cannot pull the rope well!
Max has him! Throw the rope, Leo! Use your good hand!
Max!
Thanks, Dad. Mom.
Lily? What is wrong, baby?
Mom! My head! It hurts so much!
Oh no, she is vomiting! She is very sick!
My head! It hurts so much!
The extreme stress from the hurricane is too much. It is a cluster headache. Hello! Are you okay? We are the Coast Guard. Please! We need help down here! My wife and child need a doctor immediately! Look, my hand is bleeding! Come on our ship, quickly! The hospital is ready. Your hand has a clean bandage now, Leo. Keep it dry. Thank you, doctor.
How is Lily?
The cluster headache was terrible.
She is fine now. The pure oxygen stopped the pain.
It was a stressful night for a little girl.
The pain is gone, Mom. I feel better now.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Max is a hero dog. He saved my life in the hurricane.
You are all safe now. Just rest today. Just rest today. You can go home tomorrow. Get in the car, family. I cannot drive with this hand.
Do not worry, Leo. I will drive us home.
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Our ocean trip is over. The hurricane is gone.
I'm happy to go home. Our house is dry and safe. Subscribe to Alpha Daily English. See you in the next video.